Best traps for women. When it comes to travel, selecting the right footwear is paramount for comfort, style, and practicality. Whether you're exploring cobblestone streets in Europe, hiking scenic trails, or simply navigating airport terminals, the right pair of shoes can make or break your experience. List number: Skechers Women's Bob's Be Cute Shoe. The Skechers Women's Bob's Be Cute Shoe is a casual, stylish option designed with a canvas upper and frayed details, making it perfect for laid-back travel days. With a cushioned Skechers memory foam insole, it offers comfort for extended wear. Additionally, Skechers donates a portion of every Bob's purchase to animal welfare organizations, which adds a feel-good factor to your purchase. The shoe performs well for light walking and casual outings, but it may not be the best for long-distance trekking or high-impact activities due to its minimal arch support. The frayed design adds charm but might not suit all tastes. Overall, this shoe is a versatile option for city exploration and casual settings, offering decent comfort at a moderate price point. List number: Skechers Women's Sneakers. The Skechers Slip-In Summit's Dazzling Haze is a vegan-friendly sneaker designed for ease of use and superior comfort. Its slip-on design with a fixed stretch shoelace and heel pillow makes it convenient for travelers who are always on the go. The air-cooled memory foam insole ensures breathability and cushioning, making it suitable for long walks. This sneaker excels in user experience, particularly for those who value convenience and comfort. The lightweight jersey knit upper adds to its breathability, though it may lack the durability required for rugged use. Its sleek design is versatile enough for both casual and semi-sporty outfits, making it a great all-around travel shoe. List number 3. Shoes Women's Time Off Sneaker. Dr. Scholl's Women's Time Off Sneaker combines retro aesthetics with modern sustainability. Crafted from partially recycled materials, it features a platform sole for extra lift and style. Pre-treated with Easy Clean repellent, it resists stains and dirt, making it ideal for travel. Its antimicrobial insole technology offers cushioning, arch support, and odor resistance. This sneaker shines in comfort and eco-friendliness, making it a standout choice for environmentally conscious travelers. The platform design adds a trendy touch but may not appeal to those seeking a more understated look. While the shoe is versatile for walking and casual outings, the platform sole might not be ideal for uneven terrains. List number 4. Adidas Women's VL Court 3.0 Sneaker. The Adidas Women's VL Court 3.0 sneaker is a premium option designed for both style and functionality. Its soft suede upper gives it an elegant touch, while the vulcanized rubber outsole provides excellent grip, making it suitable for urban exploration. The shoe's minimalist design ensures it pairs seamlessly with a variety of outfits. This sneaker delivers in both aesthetics and performance, offering a comfortable fit for long hours of wear. However, its suede material requires more maintenance compared to synthetic alternatives. While it's not designed for rugged use, it excels in city environments, making it a great choice for travelers who prioritize style and comfort. List number: Clear Shoe Bags for Travel 5PCS. The Clear Shoe Bags for Travel by Koidea are a budget-friendly solution for organizing and protecting your footwear during travel. These waterproof, translucent bags feature durable drawstrings for easy closure and organization, making them a practical accessory for any trip. While these bags don't provide the comfort or style of a traditional shoe, they excel as a travel essential for keeping shoes clean and separate from other items in your luggage. They are lightweight and reusable, making them a sustainable option. However, they are purely functional and lack the versatility of actual footwear products.